love, and peace.
Life no go ever sweet without
That thing what we call love. Now that make
Love Factor na a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program is me around land for my and I wonder you save life.
The Love Factor Show.
life no go ever sweet without
that thing what we call love. Now that make
Love Factor na a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program is me around land for my and I wonder you save life.
The Love Factor Show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. So we dey build and maintain relationship.
Good evening and welcome to another edition of our favorite program, Love Factor. Today's program, when I guess if I'm one really busy still me pass and crying there around. Oh! Today, come like this. Say boss family.
hello, good evening.
Hey, boss family.
Yeah.
Style.
We ready? Okay.
Now lie little. Yes.
Alright, okay. Family, good evening and welcome to this edition of Love Factor. As usual, you know, say we can talk something and today we'll begin the program proper. So I want to make you sit tight. The beginning of para, tell her they're gonna room.
Yes.
They're all in book. If I go get ready for school.
Or if people sleep, say because them don't go.
Them don't go.
Yes, so you go for week adding my money for go school.
Alright.
Yes, because this program here, so we no say this program here, so una self no say, we always tell una say this program now for 18 years and above, not for picking because inside the program what do they do?
We did talk everything.
We
We
dey
did
just
talk direct. Sharp. Not a mistake. And today we've been telling last week to
yes, I tell them say we topic today now attraction, how to attract your partner sexually, generally, you know, all the area them,
all the lily,
all thing what you for do for make it see you. And today we dey take them from most angle.
we did take how do they attract your partner? But now the woman they will want for watch.
Okay, yes, with the woman then. Now we must get problem.
Then baby then. So now then you make.
You know how the packaging, how for package the actual thing. Not let the word attraction. How for package yourself. Yes, for like you know see what.
For let Ogasi oh, now for let Ogasi.
You know that's why they see me because I dey package well.
Yes.
I don't you.
All right. When we start the program, you will able for let me tell you waiting italic for make you put yourself together for able for attract your partner. Even though we begin the program with the woman side, I want to make you know say next week we come with the man side back, and then we don't there. You go to understand now whose side we care and go.
Yeah.
Now we get alleged them we don't come nice baby then. If you see that I will tell They're not ready for can't talk about this. How for package yourself. Whether you know, they don't ready for make.
Yeah.
Give you all the
We get the old and the new.
What to be more to come more.
But what do you get from? You get from say cow old but in liver no old.
That's true.
Yes. Talk big tete na person in the driver.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey.
So now we go on.
See me now. And that will start off with a music from Isaac. We'll be right back.
You say you want a girl with fine face, body shaped like Coca-Cola KMK. Titi we go mix up and box up you brain, bad girl. I know say you want it. See me now, see me now, see me now. I got what you need when you see me now. I did do my thing when you see me now. Me now African queen. I'm with you. Give me the way like you control, I'm for two. Baby, you know, see, I know waiting for two. I see you watching like a me, now you clue. Tick tock, yeah, them side things, better leave them on block. Chocolate girl from the mountain tops. The sun be coming up, but we could go down. Feel the rhythm, lose control. Hold me, baby, don't let go. Baby, no maga, spot me with Louis, Gucci and Prada. Jealous people, then they talking, no matter, it no matter. Let's do this. You like the way you're twisting, I do it. No wasting time, but let's get to this. We go disappear and left them clueless, Let's do this, You like the way I twist and do it. No wasting time, but let's get to it, Go disappear and left them clueless. Queen, yeah. Bow for the queen, yeah. Bow for the queen, yeah. Me an African queen, yeah. Feel the rhythm, lose control. Hold me, baby, don't let go. Don't let go. See me now. I got what you need when you see me now. I need do me thing when you see me now. Me an African queen, yeah. See me now. I got what you need when you see me now. I need do me thing when you see me now. Me an African queen, yeah.
Welcome with them. I hope so. I enjoy that music. That we don't come back. Oh, we did register. We not tell our name, but of course we not all know name. But now we place for now we tell our name. Me na Diana do here alongside.
Bamidele Bailey. Captain BB is the name.
Yes. From with them. We don't come back. If you just tuning in, you watch the program Love Factor. And today on topic, as we tell una say, the topic today na attraction. How for package yourself for your partner, how for make yourself proper. Let your partner it continue for you that way, because most of the time women can get that problem the way we don't marry or we don't born 1, 2, 3 picking. Hey, no can make so I don't be fast that you know speaking against this that. Packaging. Sometimes packaging make a lot of relationship because we know the package ourselves well. Not to so Mr. Billy.
Yes, we need for package ourselves well. And although the woman they will look where we talk today, one for making say I don't tell you the man then they come back. Then next week. So how we all for package research for we partner. But not forget, when we don't come back with love factor, we dedicate this episode that we come up with to peace, love, and unity. Not only in the house, but in the community and the country as a whole. We want peace, we want love, and we want unity among ourselves. But if we begin for package ourselves properly, you will know now say all right, family. Let me say we get very big people for nice people for can do help me talk about how for package reserve for your partner. And the first person we'll get now.
Now somebody where a day into this fashion business namali woman for now they watch namali woman. A day into beauty business, of course na fashionista, possibly they do facial, possibly know about beauty. And first of all, we see as if you know say he carry himself in a role model, he show himself, in walk inside himself. So as soon as you see, you no need for to ask again.
You may see her,
yes, we see, you know, fine. And as soon as she be the smile so. But like as I say, she's married. Now no other person but Samida Conte. Samida, tell family good evening.
Family, good evening.
Well, family, I don't see that beautiful woman, the massive, you see sexiness where he give me. Hey, Samida, smile for me. Yes, we don't have the other guests.
The other guests now possibly don't deal with we from where we know about love factor, you know, say don't provide support and you know they left when it comes for woman beauty. And possibly you cannot take it away from her. It is stand out, it is stand the ground, it go
classy.
It go fet and make sure say any side woman.
No, let side is she's extremely classy. And I one person I don't learn a lot from.
She is classy, I don't talk about.
Yes, very.
She is classy and an entrepreneur. Very, very creative person. You know the weight number for Suleiman do for him. He they do, they do, they do. I want to introduce to Abigail George. Himself married. He don't married over 30 years now. Presenting to you Abigail George,
aka Nyami Adum.
Family, good evening.
All right. And they start off with Mrs. George.
You don't get the phone lines for them, right?
Yeah, but certainly once we start up the program, you know, say we get for open the telephone line, when they open, but don't just get the background of waiting they happen and build up the momentum, and then we see we can invite you said before take part in the program, the Love Factor show. This episode we come on with so. Now, for package yourself, how you wait till you do for attract your partner as a woman. Where you go find for we start with Mrs. George. Mrs. George being the elderly person and don't tell at the dunya like how then been they do you know. Mrs. George, so let me ask you how you think say for package woman for package himself for attract a man or a man.
One thing we I want to make woman they know, say the man, the male, they be moved by waiting is see. So if you and this person don't the boyfriend and girlfriend, now something is see inside you will make it get attracted to you. Maybe something like the way you dress, like the way you talk, like the way you walk, now is see we make at the first move it decide for even make you party. Let me forget first about the relationship side, even for make you party. Out of that friendship day, na day something they grow where relationship they come. I want for you use this medium for make people to understand say that thing where that man see by you will make it even tell you say I love you. You for always the work on them and improve them. You for always the give them your best.
But Thank you very much, Mrs. George. Let we listen to Sauda too. She being the young Savida, the young, a big pardon. You being the young person and young married woman as well, because we did try for promote love so that I make a married woman that we get inside the studio. Then you know we say Love Factor they promote, even though we talk about love. Now we want for promote boyfriend girlfriend business.
Well, because now boyfriend girlfriend they start saying
we are with the rich, but then how for package yourself? Now I am we talk now.
So
married woman really, we talk soon now.
Yes, I agree. So married woman, I mean so woman can package itself go the extra mile per boyfriend girlfriend business. Then the package as soon as they don't marry. Some don't even born picking as soon as they don't marry, they take and say I don't call them married.
Right.
Thank you. Everything will change.
Alright.
So now we begin groom we safe from the boyfriend girlfriend, then the courtship stage into the married woman, the early stage, and also till you get to the whole inside it. It's still not packaging. So they get them from both sides.
So we there.
My own perception about this topic, just like how me elderly person don't say na so say man they move by what he see for sure then they you not going to deny him. So as a young person you get all it takes, just like how Diana they talk for say from boyfriend now they catch you demand till when get into the marriage stage. Then another thing, when you deal with the man you understand your partner, you know say your partner move by this and this, just keep up for work towards 10 things and the way you partner they move, because most of the issues them will like relationship and marriage is thinking facing now like way you don't use for do this to your man or don't use for some myself now from the boyfriend business for self now they retire like go around the 2 year you say but they have been at 2 year this so I don't deal where linger is for I need do again, I don't deal make so I need do again because you know they reciprocate. Then they back now another thing. So now they me go stop for now.
So in other words, the time for tell we say waiting on some of the things like how Mrs. George say, the time for tell we say now like for keep the flame burning.
Yeah, you for continue, you know for stop.
Alright.
Me go on for ask you, say keep the flame burning. Waiting at some of the things they really let's take a step by stage.
Yes.
And now are they before I don't see this guy or I don't see this guy waiting for the do.
Okay.
Because I don't say you want for say you get for take care of yourself.
Of course.
You know look good.
Of course, that's a priority.
Alright, okay. Yeah,
you get for look good, you get for smell good, and you approach. At times some man can move by how you talk safe than they safe. So you compose your back na another thing. So like when you say, hey me I don't like makeup, I don't like nails, I don't like certain dress them. You they look your partner. If you man so then I want strap it like we they wear, we they show some cleavage. Not that they want. So you know say no because of this na me faith or this na me waiting. You will tell the man say okay I will minimize them, but now for you make her they do more. That's it. Because now that day you man want and you like the person, so you just go for go extra for do. But some man can do an extra way the boyfriend. As they married, it don't become tired. Don't they lean back say, I don't get the man. And this is not the two the man see from the onset, just like how Mrs. George say, from the onset, now you don't see. Now you want for the see. So you need for the put up. Yes, it's not easy. For say, for put up, for they make you hair, do nails, do you skincare, do you one tell you self-care. It's not easy for woman then, because when picking don't enter, nobody no go like say easy, but me na bigger the big. Look they keep up no more for the man then. The agenda they ask for satisfy. But look they keep up no more.
Okay, you want to talk to Mrs. George?
Yes, I want to ask Mrs. George. Waiting na the challenge the way woman una can face so where they make when you don't go into marriage, you don't born one to begin. It's difficult say for the woman of keeping self. Sometimes you see the woman now na la no more the tie Sometimes they doing hair again. If you be doing hair, they doing nails. Where you want to say, look, can come out, they come out go places again.
Or where they come out and that's one with one, that's one way if you put on this thing, you need it comb.
Bad. Mrs. George, let me hear you on sign.
What I go say, for look good and for attract not only the opposite sex, but for feel good in yourself. It dey in you. Like I can always tell people them, if no matter how they rush in the morning for left us, as I reach na my shop so, I know say people linger for can my shop. With that, or like one time, sometimes you go just see the pie and say what's inside the shop. They try for taking the first 10 minutes they, if not even for gloss your lip, outline your eye, look good for yourself. Apart from the man where you go say okay, or you customer becoming a business person, but then again you go realize say when it come to some people, the finances the money, especially when the family don't big. You go tell you say before I buy makeup, I go buy food for me picking them, and then it neglect himself with the excuse that I get for take care of me picking them. Oh, me man this, oh, me man that, oh, me man no the better. But self-love, very, very important in a relationship, because if you like yourself, you're able to make yourself look good, that money I no go gonna treat. And once you refuse, forget that thing we see in you in the first place, there is another woman out there with the game times 10 of waiting is seeing you, we make you decide for choosing.
Okay, well, Mr. George, you hit the nail on the head. But you will say, some people will say, yes, I know okay, the first of all you say self-care, self-love and all things. But like you talk about it's difficult for like pull the money and do like people say do makeup or use the lip gloss. You can even take Vaseline you over and you mouth or anything in it. But what are some of these tips where I want, because I want to start with Sarida, Mrs. George, I will ask you, well, let's start with Sarida. What are some of the tips then where a woman for focus on when I just basic, not to pass you get money, you understand me? A woman forgets for basically for make you say this woman in the packaging sense. You might not, because other women they out there like Mr. George still ready forgive the man 100% more. So man not get responsibility.
Of course.
So man not get at all. So man in money they work. Body. You understand me?
Yeah.
And sometimes you the woman, you the girlfriend, the main girlfriend, or you the wife, not go for compete with that other rival your girlfriend, which is understandable. But what are some of these tips for package you say? Because packaging yourself is something very, very important. Not for just you man, for self-respect again. Because among people come be woman themselves.
Of course.
So man can just say, well, me they talk to you, look at you reckless, look at you dress scan at this place, look at you, these things do happen. So Sarida, as a young lady and as a young wife, what are some of the tips what we go give, when you go give a company woman then of you age, you will be young woman then for help for package themselves. Waiting at some of the guidelines because we go for going to phone people, go for allow people for call. So let me go do a bit faster. So waiting at some of the tips then, what we go give woman then, young girlfriend or young married woman now for packaging self well. The basic.
Okay. As a young mom, as me, because like a young baby, you priority now because you want for like start. Look, just take an example, say somebody ever they do self-care, self-love, try for lift up in self-esteem. Look, start forget you time, like me time, me own time. Away from me picking them, away from me man, try for discover myself, try for discover what I like, try for discover what they attract me. Because you for like yourself, just like how Mrs. Just say, though you don't know your attractions, then you don't know, because woman they know to alter we like. Some man go like lip gloss, some man a lipstick like one gloss. Some man go like big earrings, some man a small earring like. As long as now that attracts you to you safe. And when you do your meantime, you try for learn about self-care, about self-love. You try, like if you know somebody we know ever they go into the corner, they try to learn affirmations them where they make you self-esteem, they boost up. Then I one tip first for every woman. Every morning you forget affirmation. I love myself. Me, everybody know that day. Say where I can talk, I'm beautiful. No matter what you tell me, I'm fine. The way they make for self now shop, they know saving this. Nobody they put in self-esteem down. Say I'm fine. No matter what you do, you don't know you corner. I say they make so now. Say they make. So like you get that affirmation day every day. Like when you wake in the morning, you can use this with black soap. Wash your face. Mrs. George they sell black soap. It is never. Wash your face. It make your face young. It make your face rejuvenate for the day. Like you get you moisturizer. Not all mangoes have a moisturizer, but some man can use like the one the way can get like face the way not get irritation because it depends by the skin. You can use Vaseline. Some man can use Donny. It depends. Some man can even use bumper mine. Then give them fine smell. That's for the one the way go say. Yes, as long as the skin moisturize the rest of the day. So like that are the things the whole person go say, hey, me I not get money. But then you able to afford them. You able then your kids. Then I say now person you able to afford them. Now morning you get your bar soap, you cleansing soap, you get your moisturizer. Then that they don't good for you. You get your lip gloss or if you use Vaseline, you are good. Then you get your fine earring and let we know they forget for we smell. As woman them you need for smell good. I can always lay emphasis on that day because we were the work as beautician. The first thing we person they say no, I know they do makeup again. No, I know they do my hair. Now like where you go pass your hand so somebody gets that kind of smell. They I know I they go now other salon. So you get for be particular about your smell. These are basic tips the way you don't put together for you safe. We like you foot. I like you no go do money. I like you no go do pedi. You nails. Me not keep nails. So I cut and short and always clean. You foot stone and day. You get that iron stone or hose. Scrub your foot day. Make your foot always clean. You know get Donny they rub an foot. Because somebody watch you from head to foot. Where they watch you done. You don't look yourself peace. Wait till me do this person. Woman as well as man. So then in the basic tip the way they make where you come out yourself you feel fine. You know say I'm ready for talk to anybody and accommodate anybody.
Alright, one thing we don't pick up and let them back the steps we don't make respect yourself, you can yourself the kind about thing where they make yourself feel good about yourself first.
Confidence.
Before you jump on at it. Now the one like where you say for smell sweet after I don't do all that way the personal teeth, you know, so you for pass and smell sweet. I forget good scent than a perfume. I mean, anyway, you will call that. But one thing that will keep happen, you know, when we did look out for partner, you know, say we always get the level where we did.
We go the extra mile.
Yes. Now, so but if we don't package yourself, you get for going at the right place for look for the kind person where you want for attract. You not get for going at the wrong place for go. You don't prepare yourself. Let me say you want for attract big people, nice person. Also you get some kind of way. You say this me man what I want it for high. Me man what I want it for the gym. Me guy what they look for it
respect.
Inspect. Thank you. Sorry. Inspect where you want. Now this dimension and this one for in fact one person we get money. You know one person we poor. You know one in fact one person we very classy.
Well,
you know
funny you go surprise family. But all that make you don't make yourself classy. You don't think say you are up there and that kind of money they attract. You attract. The all the guy me when they talk to you so it happened to me. Yes. One day I don't dress for karaoke. If you want swang for karaoke. But that is the biggest special television presentation for Kano. Now this man meets me at the junction. Also this year I want to talk to you, man. I not go look down on her because I'm not a man, but I was not expecting her. So like I just okay, I listen to what this person get to say. Honestly, family them, I almost told my grandma, she say, say I like you, me at stake. Honestly, I look the guy, I no vex. The thing we happened to me is like I've been so speechless. I talk to myself, say, this guy not forgive, this guy not hesitate.
But you attract her.
I attract her, so now the one way you talk to like you dey make fix yourself, put yourself together for the kind of people the way you want up there. Well, I mean you get the kind money man. Now make I say you could be surprised so now with all our and the way up there which the target not get for see you now somebody really down there get for see you. So it's just that just package yourself well and keep an open mind, because when you package yourself well, you don't need, as a woman, you don't need for this and this man I want. Yes, we all want good things. Every woman they desire something classy, something progressive, that kind of thing.
A good man, a good man in bed, a father man. A man with
a hot man. Generally a hot man. But if when you go on the street now, that man they put all what you don't put together, then that man they not can see you as somebody you don't even expect to can see. These things happen. This is life. This is reality. You understand?
Mrs. George, how do we address that? Where you don't package yourself one kind of way. They look out for attract this particular kind of person where you don't see, you don't pass one day, look you, pass the other day, look you. In fact, the one way they attract 9, they can hear you. How do they go? How do they look at that kind of situation again? Fran will stand by because we will open the line shortly. Yeah, but let's get Mrs. George's idea on this.
Well, just like how Diana say, I never look down on anybody. That shoemaker yesterday can be a multi-billionaire in the next couple of years. So you're not going to say because the person we be attracted now this person for now this person it not go improve. For me, when my man meet up, he was only a student auditor, and I can always knock my chest and bluff people and say, married to a student auditor, but before me mama die, he able buy ticket for me mama for go America, for go holiday in America. So despite today, that person they can be na this position, that's not mean to, especially men. I know they give up on men. And one thing I can always tell people and say, if that person the way you according to your standard, you think say poor or not good enough for you, just follow your heart. When it come and say, I be done they look you, I be done they watch you, like you, what till you at say? Despite the poor, what till you at say? And supposing can put so man then there that jumps in the way. But if you put in jumps then together, that man with the way designer, it not close. It not get ya.
And Mr. George, for support what you say, that person with it down there, that person the way you think say they look down on, because like I say it is not right to look down on anybody. Probably so not to you kind person. I can agree with that, but not look down on them because now what you feel it tell you. Honest enough, but that person the way you think they look down on, it can make you even happy. It might not get money for you, but it will make you happy. It will make you they laugh. It will make you feel respected, loved. Than that, most times people the way you think say they up there, no respect women, not care about your feelings. You know what? Because if they take us say me money, don't give me all thing. Any kind of woman who wants me money can give me. So like how you talk about me, we say you they attract this. I don't think say a woman for dress. For attractive particular man, just keep an open mind because anything can happen. The only thing like as I say, you are going out there for something good, you are wishing for something good. But if somebody down there can meet you, if you don't want, fine. They come to just say, follow your heart. If you don't want, you don't want. If you want, then fine.
I don't know if because I think me a man, I don't know, because if me a the woman inside this discussion today, the next thing we are going to come up with Now me for ask say if me don't see this guy, we nine at the caution, I know see na hand I day. I don't package myself. I've passed before I want to. I've passed before I should say, catch me attention. I can't go for me to establish a contact and everything.
Well, I think say the viewers then go.
All right, the terminal is
yes.
Family 031 610 122. Now the telephone line. Call and take part in this program. The discussion, the topic we will talk now. How you for package yourself for attract your partner. We want to know what you think. You don't hear. We get Sawida and we get Mrs. George in the studio. Of course, me, Captain Bibi, and we don't the rub mouth, but we want for you una on side. Be big. If you want to take part, where you call the number 031 610 122. Do you I want to make you do the set, the television set, come on here so that when you talk, we go able to get we and we self get you and the program go fine. But Samida, is it right for say we don't package yourself, you're not able to meet up the person, be it high, low or whatever, you go able to go chat them up, say I look now you know the specs.
According to we the young one them, yeah, most people they do the move now. Most people they take the lead more with this social media stuff.
All right, okay.
Yes,
they on the line. Let me just go straight to him and see waiting. Ingo say hello, caller. Hello. Yeah, good evening. Love Factor, welcome. Hello.
Hold on, sir.
We lost the caller. Continue.
Yeah, most people they make the move now with social media. Like some people can get testimony. You can message this person on Instagram. You can message her on WhatsApp. Say hi. Don't worry, I see you around. You're not the kind of guy I like. But for salon, most people can come and say back, say like the person can think say it's cheap. Like get self-esteem, get value. So now they can break some woman they can make say no until come run after me before me go talk to them. But for people where they oversee, it's common and simple for them for like tell person say this is how I feel about you. It can easy for them. But we as alone, the side talks then are then too much make people linking hold back to their feelings them.
Yeah,
so
people linking for it.
Yeah.
But Samina, not come to one piece, yeah. Let me not forget the actual the major thing we make when they discuss this attraction. As a woman, waiting you for do for make you man not go to street. You don't talk about makeup, you don't talk, you can then house, right?
Yes.
Waiting you for do for make the man, even if you go to street, you see an street, but think and say, I get an house, bro. I don't see all this house and all that stuff. What waiting say a woman do, for say attraction, because when we say attack, we're not just talk of the physical looks.
Yeah.
Sex involved.
Of course.
You therefore sabi for make love to you man. Because if you go meet that wild cat now, that man go meet that wild cat now, then you now fall business you get and then a problem. You know?
It's not good with you, woman not to fall.
It is over.
Woman they not get
long.
For do foreplay. So woman, someone now that's I mean. What I mean fall, I just use that word for jokes, but I mean foreplay. So like what they talk about attraction is just it just not that for do with just the looks, the things that we get for do with the sex aspect as well. Because you for something make love to your husband or your man. You for make it always feel excited, you always look forward and long for make love to you. So as a woman, what do you think?
Okay.
Because that's part of the package.
Yeah, now part of the packaging. Yeah. Like I get one scenario where one woman tell me in a shop say he can never ask a man for sex.
Wow.
he can never, no matter how he crave, no matter how horny she is, no go ever ask him and say, I want to do that thing. Everybody be like, really? He say, if you not ask me, I know they ask you. That I want to know for some man. Because they kind of look at like, now me no more they do the move, you know they do the move. So that I want to know. Don't majority of the women they facing insecurities. We see that they don't born in belly and you know it shame now. The man who makes soon I say more make and solo down now look gap them picking there and go back for week na morning. But not to that the man married you for. The initial agreement now follow na out team the man is on sutra on safe. I don't know married. Yes. Follow na you come on safe. So at the end of the day for now they inside don't you think say hey me probably don't long pass mark me belly don't end me stretch mark them too much me man no for see you get some people they just get funny insecurities them. At me I they beg the woman they will try for accept we body the whole don't bond on. Low accept we body there. Then you go look at like now but na common thing. No, but not to common thing because some man they attract to stretchy mark. Now you man, it like I did so it be there no get stretch mark where you born picking before you can born picking. So where don't born you as the woman accept yourself. Say with that stretch mark they are okay me man like me so attractive so I mean so like you get for make more effort towards yourself. Now make it boils down all this attraction they talk, all this seduction, all this partner how to call ourselves together. Yeah, it boils down back to the woman. You get for like yourself. You get forget self-esteem. You insecurities. You not forget boundary to yourself. The moment you get boundary to yourself, you know they able open hands to another person. And the man another agenda way it takes a whole planet for you understand them.
All
so
right. Okay, we get the caller on the line. Hello, caller. Good evening. How you do? Welcome to Love Factor. What thing you take? Yeah. Yes. The attitude. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mrs. George. This man just called and he talked about something one can talk about. For example, you can say attitude, the character. How we go able foresee we set the woman we don't package himself, you don't dress well. When you see her, you know say if you are gallant, every man will want her. You okay? But now, if you be much, sometimes when the man come and walk self, you know they ask how you walk today, then they discuss nothing. Don't hear it from you.
Well, now one big thing that they with the poor maridos. Man, it like how we pull. It won't follow you respect them. Just like how you say, na morning una wake, una can hug, una pray together, say good morning, watch how we dress, make sure say it okay, fine, for go out. Even that self na respect. Able sweeter this short and nothing to say the color combination right. Let her choose another top for you or la waiting that dandy they show concern and respect. Then okay, let me say for one reason or the other you dey get money pass the man. Most women them as you see the earning power they high so any kind way now then they talk to man.
Alright, okay, may I hold you there as the earning power can don't hide attitude and characters they change. We get a caller on the line. Hello caller. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening man, how are you?
Fine.
What thing are you take?
Yeah, I just want for how to meet the sister and talk.
Yes ma'am.
area of self-confidence. Because that don't make so many people mess about your own self. Now, this man you marry, I'm not saying you for the implication, but how am I going to before telling that it was? Why not die for shame, madam? And for whom that area we just sit there and don't ask the man for sex. I think that is naive area that they would think, and they think less of themselves. That man that you know, in as much as you need to self down, you don't need to be shy against that. So when they die in that pain, and for people when they grieve like that, they know who they're going to acting and why. Maybe not the confidence of themselves. So I think we need for the to also the mentality of company the level, let them know if you do that area where you compete by you and you don't get there, let's see the name you start. Make sure you sensitize that people need to talk to you.
Alright, thank you very much. Sawida, Yeri?
Yeah.
If you develop yourself for get the boldness to ask you man for sex.
Of course.
That cuts that woman there.
Of course. When I need forget the one thing first way most of the young married woman, young couples then they fail for realize oral sex it gets a lot for do with the relationship. Not so personal they do and physically. Sometimes they say every man they go, hello baby, na so, and they wait for you, na so get for car happen. It make it become prepared. Say, oh, this one today, na so. But if you know they communicate, you know get nothing for say to your man. Where the man can make you face, where the man can make so. Me and my man, they say me na parrot. My man not supposed to really talk. But when it comes to communication, any kind of communication you want in a relationship, na me the starter. But I not get problem standing.
Yeah.
You know, look at the language they mean a parrot.
Yeah,
you have to be a parrot for you.
Yeah.
Then the obvious. Then the other thing again, like how this woman say, some woman they die in silence. What thing I think they can cause that again, this self-confidence. Not to say not just the mindset, because I should say previously, you know, sometimes you don't need for even ask the person say I want to make love to you. Your body language is the way you can immediately don't naked. Or maybe so they come at the beginning and so you know some because so you open much you go shame or something. But if you see woman they say you know go ask him probably so they ask him one or two things, the man not they turn on them. So then a past experience lead them to that. Where make you
but
see
order for first touch.
Order for first touch? The person that you man, you say order for first touch.
Yeah, but not make a difference. Any rule they say this person and
no,
this the man.
If you don't want to make the man wait till the way you go and say but this apple they get the strength that's called from his back. That coffee starts for me back.
The ancient style.
No, they say
no, this is more than this.
You don't want for ask or you don't want for touch.
This you get for touch.
No, you want.
Not open your mouth, but use your hand, use your.
What if so you go touch them and say, I'm going to pay the good news?
But something is gone because the communication.
Something is gone.
The thing we wrong in communication, you know they in the mood, they don't hamburger on the street. So before that they hamburger on the street, you were in the house, agree and properly.
Then I'm going to get an understanding. If you don't one of these things again, if you learn for understand the partner, there's no way a relationship will work. If you don't understand the partner.
610-122. Now the number.
Now understanding.
This one, order for first touch.
Anybody can touch. Feel free for touch.
Touch
get limitation.
No. But no way they say, wait guy, you can't begin pull that 1954 style. Can't scrub me back for me first. No.
But that one way I dey talk.
And it's outside the ruler.
For ask. You understand?
Okay, wait.
That's outside the okay, Mrs. George.
Mrs. George.
Sometimes you feel bigot. Sometimes I don't make plan and then you want to, but you don't want touch. Yeah. Then you don't want ask. What you go do? Mrs. George, tell me.
That's how they be getting up for the day. We are about to marry each other. You body na me body. By the time when you they come, I go don't make sure say. First of all, the thing when you like now the cook. Because sometimes I don't feel that feeling from shop. So what do you want for it? Now they give that day. By the time when you eat them, what do you see our self? you know say you for perform. If you not perform, I dey knock you down.
Thank you.
Knock you down.
I like the point you say knock down.
Mrs. John, explain
how you dey knock down.
I need for learn from this.
I dey fail course follow with faith. Not to plan by faith too. We go faith.
Go rasu.
And by the time when you faith God, don't pull it to us.
Yeah. Sarina, what do you laugh?
We go sutra.
Because me, I just get one basic thing. Basic, which is so basic.
Please. Tell me.
Which is, baby, I'm too bushy. Like, I take one word on. I say yes, you are free.
Come on, man.
Anyway, before I start, you call or if you never call me, you can send the text message. The number for reach out to me now 031 610 122 031 610 122. You might not able for call, but you can still send text message. You get the messages?
No, not yet. Now, one thing we from all what we don't talk now, we realize apart from where you dey take care of yourself, apart from where you dey smell good, apart from where you dey put all the other things then together, the important factor we don't kind inside are communication. Communication and the habit.
Yes.
Communication, you forget good habit. Communication very key for attract your partner properly. Because if una dey talk, una dey in constant dialogue, malice no dey. He always gets for go near you and talk with you. We get a caller on the line. Hello, caller.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening and welcome to Love Factor. How are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
Well, we're fine right here. Let me hear you. Oh, you don't come on any place? Oh dear, we lost the caller. Anyway, so you see, communication, if we're able for the talk, ask your partner how we they do. In this case, now the woman that we talk about. When the man come on, you self come on, now so the day today, oh, now this, you don't go once with time. If it's not now the month self they ask a question, how we do. Sometimes some stress then they will man knock you one for talk, but by the woman with the yaram, they make now he able for talk, he trusts you, all the other things that come up now. If you don't want to say,
and also apart from the do, and also you didn't for study, you didn't learn you didn't know what your partner more. Because the closer you come, you don't necessarily it's not just sex.
Yeah.
You get chance for talk to you. You know when things go off. As soon as the guy say, sometimes I say, I'm gonna also actually why man makes a fake come over talk to her. They say, I know it's in there. You don't even see the man here to work because communication don't do, you don't study because coming closer, you know, the aim for make you study your partner better. Some man can feel in a way they far off if you study him more. You cannot know somebody without you know come closer to them. So packaging yourself as well, they help you for like know your partner, not in just sex, like as we say, but you for know the person better and you didn't know how to handle certain problems or attitude where you see and you get that moment there, how to go about them. So like it helps bringing you guys closer.
you know say talk and go, talk and down. Mortal man talk, we know they talk and down.
Yeah.
Sawida, you know the young one with experience in this generation. We don't say not to you get all the sense, but what you go advise we as you parting words na this program?
Say for okay, my parting words go be communicate always, search about you man things the way he like and things the way no like and try to navigate to make una see a perfect meeting point.
Mrs. George?
Well, waiting me go left to review in public is that love making na an art. When you meet the person from day one, we wanna begin get sex. Learn about your partner in body. Once you don't know in body, then you go make sex very exciting and nothing we both parties could look for.
Well, some of them Tem don't catch you. When I don't say love factor, we know you want for community, but Tem don't catch you. We get so much photo because this topic here, we get for continue, we'll not stop on there. So till next week, when we go meet on our back with attraction, but from the other side, when at the man side, the man himself we can tell we waiting at the thing out for package, then say, but let we do man himself, we're not to be no more issue. The man himself gets the issue. So till next week, when I have how wonderful guy.
And I will tell you, say, next week, we will get that old man we in dinner I am with me, Raymond. We will get him for make now one post we get for canton, but the man side, ion attraction, I they do with everything they do for attract in baby. But for now, we get Mrs. George and Sawida. We don't tell me waiting it take. We know say. Develop your self-esteem. Look good. Get a very good character. Work on yourself. Work on the man. Understand your partner. And by the time way you do all that, don't forget say, you, woman, na kumbra. You for always remember say, you get for the don't fight. Forgive the man Bobby. And when the man is up Bobby, you know say, it easy. You will always get him under your control.
You know get Bobby.
You will get woman get Bobby. You know get look way back. Yeah. Alright, on that note, family, I want for see to next week. Me Bambi Berry say good night, and I want to make you know say we come back here next week on behalf of management and staff of the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. We engineer, we camera operator, and you within our house. We say thank you and good night.
All girls all over the world need X amount of attention. Shady baby, there's a phonics. We run this town.
Wine see me, wine baby go gaga. The way you sit up on the thing, girl, wine panic at the whole day, baby go gaga. I tell you, wine see me, wine go gaga. Hey, you sit up on the thing, girl, wine panic at the bike, girl, make me go mad. Don't float me, give me girl the show way. Wine panny booty baby all day. Don't float me, give me girl the show way. Wine panny booty baby all day. Don't float me, give me girl the show way. Wine panny booty baby all day. Don't float me, give me girl the show way. Wine panny booty baby all day. Young girl, come give it a little wine now. Give it a little wine now. Give it a little wine, come broke it up and catch it bite now. Give it a little wine now. Give it a little wine now. Give it a little wine, come broke it up and ready bite now. No man a cup and be at all day. Wap up on the girl them ways. They can't kill the vibe on the girl and the place then go see it out. So where the girl them there. No man a cup and be at all day. Wap up on the girl them ways. They can't kill the vibe on the girl and the place then go see it out. So let me see you just go down. Girl with the Coca-Cola back a shape go down. Catch when they with them slow wine see me go down. No for them I envy you feel me you not go down. Run pa pa pam, run pa pa pam pam. You not give a damn, give a what a bam bam. Say run pa pa pam, run pa pa pam pam. Me no one no bag.